In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gantt view in Monday.com. Whether you're streamlining project timelines or managing complex tasks, incorporating a Gantt view can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency. So let's dive in together and learn how to quickly set this up in just a few easy steps. First, head over to your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to log into your account. Simply click on the Login button, which you'll find usually in the top corner of the page. To make things easier, if you have a Google account linked, you can proceed by selecting the Google option and choose the appropriate account to log in swiftly. This step saves you the hassle of remembering another password. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to your board. It's the hub of all your current tasks and projects. This is where you'll add the new Gantt view to visualize your project timelines more effectively. Now, on the top header of the screen, you should notice a plus icon. This is your gateway to create new views and easily modify existing ones. Click on this plus icon. Following that, you'll see a variety of view options available for you to choose from, but today we're focusing on the Gantt view. Simply select Gantt from this list. This action opens up a timeline view of all tasks present on your board, providing a clear overview of item schedules, task durations, and any overlapping activities that may require your attention. Now that we have the Gantt view open, let's talk about a few things you can do here. One of the most beneficial aspects of the Gantt view is the ability to easily monitor and adjust timelines. You can click on any task or item to get more details or make changes if needed. Furthermore, feel free to add any new items directly into the timeline as your project evolves, ensuring you have the most up-to-date information at all times. Another helpful feature is the filter option. This can be particularly useful when you want to narrow down the view to specific tasks or team members, allowing you to focus on what's most critical in the moment without being overwhelmed by the entire timeline. And there you have it. You've just added a Gantt view in Monday.com, giving you a powerful new way to oversee and manage your projects. This will not only improve your project planning, but also enhance team collaboration. Keep exploring the various features available to make your work process even more efficient. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Happy planning!